Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Yeah, Gordon, I bet the Auto Club people might be jump-starting a couple cars out there this morning. Definitely one of the coldest mornings so far this winter season around the city of Buffalo, the surrounding suburbs, and we're tracking a little bit of lake effect snow. Street-level tracker fired up here, and a little of that snow edging northeastward right along the Route 5 and through a corridor to the south of the city, edging up toward Lakeview Road just to the west of Hamburg, and quite possibly we'll be getting up to Camp Road here within the next half hour or so. This is really light stuff, though. I'm going to clear this information off here and broaden out the view, and you will see that most of it is out over the lake, and it's moving more north than east. So this is just going to be brushing portions of the Niagara frontier this morning, this weak area of lake effect, which is going to edge up maybe even into the Niagara Peninsula as well. Looks like it's starting to get into Port Colborne, but elsewhere, really not looking at a whole lot of snow across the area to begin the day, and there's just going to be a chance of a few of these snow showers around, at least as we work through this Thursday, with that steadier snow still on the way for late this afternoon. Yesterday at noontime, I mentioned, well, it looks like it's slowing down a little bit, so instead of developing earlier in the afternoon, it looks like it's going to arrive later in the afternoon, and the timing on it, probably not that great. It may slow down your evening commute a bit. Let's take a look now at your weather for today. There's a chance of some snow showers during the day. We should rebound at least to around 20 degrees around 8 a.m., 25 at noontime, 29 here at 5 p.m., with a greater chance of that steadier widespread snow arriving by that time. And that's what is showing up on Super Microcast for us today. Few snow showers around today, but here's the leading edge of the steady snow now starting to work into the Niagara frontier, Chautauqua, Cattaraugus County, even some of the northern tier counties of PA down here by 5 p.m. this afternoon, and it overspreads all of the area for tonight. So everybody gets a piece of this, at least for the overnight period. Accumulations about 1 to 3 inches, but maybe as much as 2 to 4 across some of the higher terrain to the south. A little lake enhancement may be taking place in some of the ski country here to the south of the city. Now, it looks like some drier air is going to try to work into the area tomorrow, so the snow will start to scatter out and settle down across the ski country. In fact, we may even sneak in a little bit of partial sun, especially toward the tail end of the day across northern sections. But more snow showers are back in the picture to begin the weekend on a very cold start to the weekend on Saturday. As we take a look at your high temp forecast, well, at least mid to upper 20s in the north towns, the Falls, up to Newfane, Tonawanda, Amherst, and Clarence. About 25 degrees will do it at Medina. Down in the south, a little bit chillier today, maybe some lower to mid 20s down here. Olean and Wellsville at 21, Brantford 22. And back to the west, looking for a forecast high from the computer of about 22 degrees at Jamestown. Checking your roadways this morning, there's going to be a chance of some snow, especially on the 190 and maybe the 219-400, the QEW, definitely on the Thruway West. Elsewhere, just kind of cloudy skies. Right now, 13 degrees in Buffalo. It's 9 down at Bradford. Dress warmly. Your forecast, cloudy skies. Chance of a snow shower today, but steadier snow arriving later this afternoon. High temp, 25 to 29. For the overnight snow, 1 to 3 inches of accumulation, 2 to 4 in the hills, 14 to 20. Then tomorrow, snow becoming scattered as we get into the afternoon. It's settling down across the ski country. Some partial sun maybe in northern areas, 22 to 26. Saturday, occasional snow showers, 20 to 25 degrees. We rebound into the mid to upper 20s on Sunday with a few lighter snow showers and some sun, too.